Okay, I'd like to show you how the monitor system work in the woods room. So you will see there are two monitors here. They are connected to this control panel. You need to start by turn the display to on. Once you turn this to on, there's something showing up on the screen. You have three options here. Mac Mini is the computer behind one of the monitors, actually behind the one close to the door. It's behind there. Um, so right now we are using the Mini, and the Mini is connected to the Bluetooth keyboard and mouse here. So that these are what these devices are for. You can also use Apple TV or auxiliary here. Either of this, they mean the same thing here. So if I turn this to auxiliary, it's going to show the Apple TV option, so people can use their um, MacBook or iPad to connect to this using the AirPlay Wi-Fi. So the Wi-Fi should be different. The another option would be laptop. If you have a laptop, um, you have the option to choose HDMI cable or the VGA. So in most cases, people use the HDMI, which is here right now, dangling here, or connected to this little box. And if people are using PC, they can use this VGA cable here. And sometimes a VGA adapter is needed if people brought in their MacBooks. So basically, these are a few options to choose from. Once you're done, just turn this display to off, power down when you're done with it. Sometimes when you turn the display to on, let's say Mac Mini, you can have two screens displaying different things. See, this screen actually shows what you need to know. This screen shows what is on the Mac Mini, but if you go to this screen, you can display something else by choosing a different input. So this has to be controlled manually. So you choose input and you select different things. For instance, for this one, I want to show Apple TV. Let's see, we can do that. So press the input button and keep changing this. And now it's Apple TV. So you can have one screen displaying Apple TV, another screen display the other thing. So in some cases, in some rare cases, this can work as well. Another thing I want to bring your attention to is there is a little camera here. If you have a virtual meeting or something, if you need to display the room, so make sure that this camera is connected to the Mac Mini behind this screen. Okay, you can't see it right here. And another thing that is connected to Mac Mini is the speaker down here on the floor. See, it's red, so it's connected. If you need to move it to a desk, it has a very long extension cord there, so you can connect it and then move it to one of the desks. So that's how this room works. The other rooms in the Atom Center have very similar configurations. So once you become familiar with this one, the other one should work the same way. Okay, that's a brief walkthrough for the woods. I hope you can use it very skillfully pretty soon. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.